In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable maintenance mode in WordPress. Whether you're updating your site, redesigning it, or making critical changes, maintenance mode is a great way to keep your visitors informed and prevent them from seeing a broken or unfinished website. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, hover over Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Maintenance Mode. You will see a list of plugins appear. I recommend using a popular option like SeedProd WP, Maintenance Mode, or LightArt. These are well reviewed and widely trusted in the WordPress community. Once you've chosen a plugin, click Install Now. After installation, click Activate. With the plugin activated, you will notice a new menu item in your dashboard, usually under Settings or directly labeled with the plugin name. Click it to access the plugin settings page. Here, you can customize your maintenance page. Most plugins allow you to change the text, adjust colors, and add images or logos to make your page look professional and branded. You can also set advanced options like excluding specific pages from maintenance mode or allowing logged-in users to bypass the maintenance screen. Don't forget to communicate clearly with your visitors. Add an estimated time for when your site will be back online, if possible. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save Changes. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now in maintenance mode, showing a friendly message to visitors while you work behind the scenes. This simple step ensures your audience stays informed and your website updates go smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.